Hey guys, welcome. My name is Candace. To those who are new to my channel, I do beauty, fashion, luxury, occasionally travel, lifestyle, and food videos. If you're not new, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing Miley Cyrus inspired look from her latest music video, Midnight Sky. She wore some gorgeous purple, glittery, shimmery eyes and a bold reddish orange lip. Fell in love with the makeup as well as the song. The song is amazing if you have not heard it already. I love it. I am not even a huge Miley Cyrus fan. I don't go watching her music videos, listen to her songs, but sometimes it just made me want to check that one out. I saw an Instagram post she posted. I don't follow her or anything. It's in my Explore page. And I saw when she announced her Midnight Sky, music video. And I was kind of intrigued. One, because I've done, the Cardi B WAP makeup tutorials. I'll link them below and above in case you haven't checked those out yet. But I was kind of curious, of how her makeup looked in that music video. And it was new, so I was like, okay, let me check this out. And I really started vibing with the song so much that the song is now on one of my Spotify playlists. I absolutely love it. I had to play it at least 5 to 10, like not exaggerating, 5 to 10 times back to back. I loved it that much. But yeah, the song was awesome. Her makeup was great. And as y'all know, if you have followed me for years, I used to always do celebrity music video looks. And I kind of want to get back into doing those because I used to enjoy those and I know y'all did too. I don't know, let me know if that would be something you would be interested in. Be a nice switch up and mix up. For my usual palette review videos, I'll still do those because I love doing those as well, but I will mix these in. Just let me know if you want to see those. Without further ado for the look, keep watching. I'm first taking some Too Faced Shadow Insurance as a primer all over the eyes. I'm being pretty generous with this because I'm using quite a bit of product on the eyes today. As you probably saw in the music video, Miley pretty much had mostly purples and pink tones on her eyes, so I'm going to do the same. I'm mainly going to be using the Lilac U a lot. I've never used this. OMG. My lips are parched, as always. So, let me hydrate my lips. This is, oh god, much better. This is the Burt's Bees Lavender Honey Lip Butter. I'm using this like 80% of the time. The other 20%, I use my Skin Fix lip balm. I don't have that in here at the moment. It just basically depends on what's in front of me. It's contingent on what I use. So, as I said, I'm taking mainly the ColourPop Lilac You a Lot palette. I haven't used this. Actually, I used it yesterday when I first filmed this video. This is my second time filming this video. I'm not sure what's going on. I filmed 6 videos and I was able to recover 5 of them in most of this video, but the first portion where I did the eyes did not save. Of course, the hardest part I have to film over. But anyway, this is my first time using this palette. The first color I'm going to start with, or actually mixing 2 colors together. These 2 at the bottom left call Iffy and Zoned Out. I'm mixing these 2 together to create a lighter purple that is not as intense. I'm using an extremely fluffy brush. This is a MAC 224. I'm gonna have to reference my picture again because I completely forgot what her makeup looked like. And I want to have as close of an accurate depiction as possible. I'm gonna mix these 2 together. And this brush has glitter on it from yesterday. I'm trying to also use the same brushes so I don't have to do unnecessary work. Y'all know I hate washing brushes. It's like my least favorite part of doing a makeup look. And a little glitter is okay because she's full of glitter and glam in her look in the music video. I'm gonna lighten that up by taking extra of the Zoned Out, which is the lighter color here. Wait, this one. If it starts to get too intense, just take more of that. Above all of that, I'm actually going to take a Huda Beauty color from the Topaz Obsessions palette. Take any brow highlight you have. I'm taking this one in the middle here. That same brush, I'm going above everything. This is just gonna help blend everything out. For the lid, she has kind of this pinky purple color. It's absolutely gorgeous. But, of course, it has glitter on top. We're gonna get to that, relax. Don't worry, I'm definitely gonna do glitter. But for the actual color on the lid, I'm taking a crushed metallic pigment from MAC. This is extremely old. This one is called Strawberry Patch. Just take any extremely metallic, high shine, pinky purple that you own. This is what it looks like. I have a lid here that currently has stuff in there from yesterday when I did this look, so I'm just gonna remove that with my makeup towel. I'm telling you, these things are good for everything. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some into my lid and I'm gonna take a couple of drops of MAC mixing medium. You can use whatever, like water if you want, or any similar product like this. Taking a couple of drops of that. 2 drops is usually enough, but whatever you think you need for your eye space. Taking a flat brush for this. Definitely clean this off because I used this for glitter and eyeshadow yesterday. I'm taking and I'm making a paste with this because I want this to be extremely high shine because that's what Miley has. Brushing this all across the lid. I'm actually gonna need more liquid. I don't know why I'm trying to be cheap with this stuff. It's not like I don't have a backup of it or I can't buy more. Don't worry about the inner corner. I'm putting something there later. I'm making sure now I don't have any gaps. And I do because I'm looking at my faraway mirror. Don't know why I'm doing that. I have a smaller one that I can look at. I'm gonna do that now actually. You don't want any gaps. Although you don't have to really stress about having gaps at this point because we're going right on top of the glitter. Like that. Loving the metallic finish. I typically don't gravitate towards metallic shades, but when I do, they're freaking awesome. What more can I say? I'm gonna take a glitter now. You wanna be really careful with this one because it's not particularly eye safe. Because it's not super fine. I don't think even super fine glitters are eye safe, but we do it anyway. This is the MAC glitter in pink. I'm gonna open it up so you can see it better and pray I don't make a mess, which is inevitable because glitter makes a mess. This is what it looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous and perfect for this Miley inspired look. So I'm actually dumping that into the same lid, and this time I'm using a glitter glue. This is from Hard Candy's, the Showgirl Secret glitter glue. I'm not sure Walmart has this or any of the drugstores still. I got this years ago, but it's one of my favorite glitter glues still. And it works really, really well. So this time I'm taking 2 drops, literally 2 drops for everything to start. I just got glitter everywhere. Taking the same brush, dusting it off. Don't worry if it's not all the way clean. I'm wetting my brush with the glitter glue and I'm brushing this across. I'm actually gonna pack it on. I think that's what I did yesterday. Okay, I'm gonna do that same thing to the other side now. Just make sure if you're using this on the eyes, you keep your eyes closed to minimize it getting in your eye. Hopefully to eliminate it getting in your eye, but you're taking a risk by doing it, but I'm gonna pack it on this side now. Okay, I have a ton of glitter on this eye now. So I'm gonna leave the side alone. Continue to look down as you all know because you don't want it to transfer into your crease as it dries. We're gonna take some more of that iffy zoned out mix that I used. Oop, wait, these two into my crease just to make sure. I'm mainly taking that darker purple a little because I want there to be a difference between the 2 shades. Right now they're kind of blending together, which we want them to blend together, but as far as them being the same exact purple, that's not what I want. I want there to be a clear transition of the 2 different purples I use, but you want the lines not to be harsh. Next, in this tear duct area, she has a pop of brightness here, like a gold brightness. This is more of a purpley gold, well, it's a lighter gold, white gold with purple pink reflex. It's pretty much what we want for this. I'm applying this in the tear duct and kind of extend it around slightly. Just make sure you don't have any glitter on your brush when you do that. Or just use a different brush if you're concerned about that. So this is called Cloud, by the way, if I didn't mention it. I'm taking quite a bit of that into there because that's not as intense as I want it. I'm taking a really stiff flat brush for a more intense application of color. As you see, that's layering on big time. Just pull it over so it blends nicely. I'm still waiting on the glitter to dry, but while I wait, I don't like to waste time. I'm taking an eyeliner strictly to the waterline on the bottom. This is called Urban Decay 24 Glide On Eye Pencil, and it's in Vice. It's just purple. And it has glitter on there from yesterday. That's not good. We don't want that in the eye. Okay, so I'm about to sharpen this. I'm gonna strictly keep this in my waterline. I'm stretching my eyes so that that glitter doesn't transfer as it dries. And Miley doesn't have any color on her lower lash line except for the waterline. Doesn't appear that way at least. So that's why I'm strictly keeping it on the waterline. Having to go lower, no worries, you can clean it up with concealer in the very next step. Like so. Speaking of that next step, I'm taking the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, medium dark 32. This is way too light as you can see. So I mix it with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Chocolate 0, Dark 0. This is gonna be hilarious. I'm actually waiting on the UPS driver. He should be here literally in the next few minutes. It's gonna be hilarious if I have to go outside like this. Hey! I'm taking a concealer brush. I'm gonna blend this out. And this is an opportunity that you can use to clean up that bottom lash line as well. If you extended the color too much, including the liner at the bottom. See how that kind of sharpens that up? For mascara, I'm taking Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. And you could do lashes if you want, but it doesn't appear Miley has any. It seems like her lashes are just super defined. So I'm going to focus on doing that. Now here's a step when you might transfer the glitter by doing that bottom mascara, but you can stretch your eyes like you're crazy. And try to do it that way, rather than doing it the usual way where you would look up. Or, oh no, I'm not stretching anymore. I forgot. You can always clean it up with your crease brush after. I'm about to clean up my crease brush right now. Dusting that brush off that I used because I did use it for that tear duct color temporarily. And I'm just going back in the crease, getting rid of the extra glitter. It's okay if there's a little because our eyes are very glittery if you don't remember, if you don't recall. I'm gonna do some foundation and I'm gonna mix my usual, well my latest usual, the Sarka Color Balance Liquid Foundation in the shade 8. I don't know at what point my skin was this color, maybe in college or something. I don't know. And then this is the NARS Natural Radiant Concealer. No, what? NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Marquises. I take 2 pumps of the darker and 1 point of the pump of the lighter. Apply this all over the face. And I'm using Sedona Lace 480. And as you can see, it's the perfect match. I think I say that every video, it's the perfect match. Because I know a lot of people, freak out when I first show them that super light foundation. But you can always mix it with things that you have. If you happen, like you order a foundation online or something, and the color is not up to par, just mix it with things you have, and see if it works. If it doesn't, send it back. At this point, I can't send this back because I've had it for years. Probably shouldn't admit that on camera, but I don't have super sensitive skin or my skin breaks out or anything from using things that are a little past the time you're supposed to use it. But that's why I just continue using things. So let's move on to the rest of the face. I'm gonna use the NYX HD Finishing Powder to make my face matte everywhere because that's basically how her skin is. This is just some cheap brush from a brush set that I got for Christmas from one of my aunts. It looks like this. Literally, you can use anything for setting powder, any fluffy brush. I'm starting underneath my eyes, just so that doesn't bunch. And then I'm going everywhere else. Now y'all know I don't do matte finishes. I like dewy, but I'm going out of my comfort zone today, big time. Not bad, actually. Her face, like I said, is pretty matte, so I'm gonna go in with a matte blush for that. It's kind of a mauve tone, so that's what I'm gonna go with. The color I'm gonna use is called Vintage Grape. It's a blush ombre from MAC and looks like this. I'm sticking to that lighter side of it. I'm kind of contouring with this too. It's not just a blush, but I am using it as such as well. I'm actually gonna mix it around. It's a lot more vibrant than hers is, but in the name of inspiration. Oh my god, it's really, this brush is actually starting to suck a little bit. This side always comes out better than the other side. I don't know why. I'm blending it into my blush now. See, look at that. It's like a dark patch. I hate when my blush does that. I don't know if it's the formula that sucks or the brush. I'm going back in with my foundation brush. I'm going over it. There we go. I'm leaving that open now. Okay, now for the fun part, lips. She has like this, let me look again. It's like this orangey red, metallic, gorgeous color. I mean, it's not super metallic. It's like a hint of metallic, so I think I could do without the metallic part of it and just use gloss or something. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Okay, I haven't done this type of lip color in forever. So I'm doing something super creamy. So I have 3 color options here. These are they still don't look orange though. Hold on. I actually think this might be the color. This is from some store. God, I really can't tell you the brand, but I'm gonna take it. It's a reddish orange lipstick. I promise you I don't know the name. The label's off. It's a long lasting lipstick. I don't know the brand though. They came from like Rose Gal or some site like that. I'm applying this first. Now her lips are glossy, so that's what I'm gonna do. This is the Vamplify, or MAC Vamplify, in the shade Flash Drive. I'm just taking this in the center, I guess. Then I'm gonna do it all over. Never in a million years would I have never done what I've ever done. This eye combination with these lips, it's not bad, but I don't know, it's just not me. I love color, don't get me wrong. I just would have never put these together, and it's making me highly uncomfortable. I don't know, it's okay. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Miley Cyrus inspired makeup tutorial from her Midnight Sky video. Absolutely love the song, love the music video. I just love the style. I love the vintage vibes, the Chanel drip. Like literally everything about that song is just, I don't know, it takes me back. I mean, I haven't existed before the 90s, but it took me back to like the 60s, 70s, 80s or something. I don't know. It's like a nice, upbeat, and older vintage song, if that makes any sense. I suck at explaining music, but I really love the song. If you haven't heard it, I highly recommend listening to it. And check out the makeup in the video as well, because that also stood out to me, and that's why I decided to do this look. But yeah, please rate the video, subscribe to my channel if you have not, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss anything I upload in the future. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Any special requests, feel free to leave them below. That includes celebrity looks, music video looks, anything else, luxury videos, whatever you want to see, let me know. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.